Alright, y'all can know me as that West dude, and I'm trying to help you guys that have had the same difficulty as me to finding readily accessible information on Google to figure out this problem with getting my mower blades to engage when the mower has been running for a little bit. This will work for any zero turn, SCAG, Toro, etc. that has a electric PTO clutch that I used to describe as the pulley that engages when I pull the button for engaging the mower blades. It's on this owner's manual, but it's for a bunch of different models of SCAGs of that year. But if you have the 3 windows on this clutch I'm about to show you, you are most likely good to go, unless it is an issue with the button. You could have shorts, corrosion, or wire breaks, fuse issues, or whatnot from here down to the clutch. Or it could be something completely different. Well, not completely different, but if it's inside of, if you go through all the troubleshooting, you don't have the windows, and you figure out it's inside of the clutch, I've read at least from the forums on lawnsite.com that you are best off just buying a whole new clutch. So here are the windows on the clutch. Oh, let's see here. Right there, if the camera focuses. There's 3 of them on each side. These are the nuts you use to adjust them. And if you use a feeler gauge that is at 0.015 inch feeler gauge, stick that in there, tighten it down until it grabs and gives a little bit of resistance to pull out, and you should be good to go. Like I said, adjust them all, recheck them, adjust it again until they're all feeling about even, and you shouldn't have any more issues with the blades not engaging after the mower is warm, unless it's an issue, unless there is a problem somewhere else.